Viewing sound.
A talented trotter from the Teague Barn, number 5 DNA, owned by Rock Mitchell Incorporated and Teague Incorporated, trained by George Teague with Ron Pierce. Brian Sears, driving number 6 Falls for You, is owned by Atlantic Trot, Fair Winds Farm, Gewurz, and Willow Pond, trained by Tron Smithshammer. And number 7 is Resortful, owned by Cerdison, Gregory, Colburn, and Ragsdale. Jonas Cerdison and Jeff Gregory won the 2005 Oaks with Jalopy and came up here with Resortful. Randy Gee awaiting the arrival of a race bike. Should be stepping onto the track shortly from the front paddock area. 8 minutes until post for race 3. Time to say hello to our special groups here today. How about Ambience and NBC.com? Thanks for joining us. Congratulations, Sharon and Debbie. Happy birthday to Lon, celebrating birthday with Big M. The doctors of dental medicine are here. How about the Loyal Order of Moose 848 for the North Hudson Lodge? Thanks for joining us on Hamiltonian Day. Carmel quiz time from Hollywood Hayden. You have to name this horse. Now, she finished second in the Hamiltonian. She was named Horse of the Year 2 years later and had a son who won the Hamiltonian. So a second place Hambo finisher who was named Horse of the Year a couple years later, and one of her colts won the Hamiltonian. Shout out that answer to Ken Workington, Dave Brower.